Hi, I'm Luke with Bailiwick of Gurnsey English Cream Dachshunds, and you're watching the Bailiwick Bonus, where we answer people's most frequently asked questions. So, Mom, are Bailiwick of Gurnsey Dachshunds socialized?
Yes, we get this question a lot. We have 8 children, and we homeschool, and we spend time with the puppies from the moment they are whelped all the way till when they leave the house. They are held and cuddled and play with and washed and just enjoyed and snuggled every single day that they are here. And normally our little ones are very sad to say goodbye to the puppies when they leave because they're so very loved. So we do love getting all the pictures and things back from their new families so we can see how they're growing because we enjoy every single puppy. So yeah, it is a great environment to raise puppies because they hear all kinds of loud noises because we're a big rowdy house. And so they are not timid or disturbed by noises. They are raised with children, so they're used to being handled and snuggled, which makes them wonderful family dogs. And they are just ready for their forever family because they have been raised with a family. And that's just a great thing that we can offer here from the Bailiwick of Gurnsey.
Thanks, Mom. If you have a question, contact us. The information you need is in the description below.